Welcome to this overview of human resources. Whether you are new to the field or just curious about how companies manage their people, this presentation will break down the essential functions of an HR department, from finding talent to ensuring legal compliance. So, what exactly is human resources, or HR? It is much more than just the department that hires people. HR is a strategic partner responsible for managing the entire employee life cycle. They act as advocates for employees and guardians of the company culture. The journey begins with recruitment and talent acquisition. This process starts with creating job descriptions and posting them. Then comes screening resumes to find qualified candidates, interviewing to assess skills and culture fit, and finally, extending a job offer to the right person. Once a candidate accepts an offer, onboarding begins. This is critical for setting new hires up for success. It involves handling necessary paperwork, providing the right tools and access, and integrating them socially into the team culture. One of the most vital functions is compensation and payroll. HR ensures everyone gets paid accurately and on time. This involves managing salaries, calculating deductions for taxes and benefits, and tracking time to ensure the final net pay is correct. Beyond salary, HR manages employee benefits. These are non-wage compensations like health insurance, retirement plans like 401ks, paid time off, and other perks that provide security and balance for employees. To help the company grow, HR oversees performance management. This is a cycle that starts with setting goals for the year, followed by regular feedback sessions, and concluding with formal reviews to evaluate progress. HR also invests in people through learning and development. This includes upskilling employees for their current roles, reskilling them for new ones, and providing leadership training to build future career paths. Maintaining a healthy work environment is the goal of employee relations. HR mediates conflicts, measures employee engagement and morale, and ensures that company policies are enforced fairly for everyone. HR must also navigate the complex world of compliance. This means adhering to labor laws regarding wages and hours, ensuring workplace safety standards, preventing discrimination, and protecting sensitive employee data. Modern HR relies heavily on technology. Human Resources Information Systems, or HRIS, help automate data management. These systems track headcount, new hires, retention rates, and leave requests, allowing for data-driven decisions. In summary, human resources is a multifaceted field. It encompasses attracting talent, developing skills, managing pay and benefits, ensuring legal compliance, and supporting overall well-being. Ultimately, HR is there to support the company's most valuable asset, its people.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.